Itong dalawang device na ito is equally priced at almost the same na price point, around 7,000 pesos, and both of them halos pareho ang performance ng kanyang processor. MediaTek Helio G88, Unisoc T616, both having almost the same power, almost the same capabilities. Malalaman natin in this video kung sino nga ba dapat ang piliin nyo as your next daily driver. So guys, probably napili ko to dalawang phone na ito to compare dahil medyo close ang kanilang pricing. Ang itel S23 Plus na may 8GB sa RAM and 256GB of storage is currently priced at 7,499 sa kanyang SRP. And ang Redmi 12 na may 8GB sa RAM and 120GB of storage is currently being priced at 7,999. Now, makita natin in this video the differences nitong dalawang phone na ito and why it makes a good matchup dito sa ating channel. Now, probably the first thing that would be a big factor for me is sa kanyang display. Itong Redmi 12 having a 6.79-inch na IPS LCD is having a refresh rate na up to 90Hz of screen refresh rate. And ito naman, si itel S23 Plus is having a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display. Now, ang brightness nito is up to 500 nits, so hindi masyado nagkakalayo silang dalawa. But probably the winning factor dito sa itel is, of course, AMOLED ng kanyang display. Plus, curved screen glass na rin siya. Kita nyo guys na it's a very premium na design, only available sa mga phones na 20,000 pesos and up. Madalang nga makakita ng phone na would be pricing below 10,000 pesos na merong curved screen display and AMOLED pa. Normally, makita mo pag sa mga presyo 7,000 plus, you get a IPS LCD just like this one and just a mediocre na display. But si itel was able to step up the game and give you a better display dito sa kanya. So how about let's watch some shorts quickly lang, no? Just for quick comparison. So kita natin dito sa dalawa, kung pinagtabi mo sila, there's no doubt na mas matingkad, mas brighter ang display dito sa itel S23 as compared dito kay Redmi 12. Makita mo sa shorts niya, it seems to me the black is a little bit more blacker dito dahil sa kanyang AMOLED display. Now, swiping, doon mo mafe-feel konting difference, if you're sanay ka sa mga high refresh rate. Dahil this phone, si itel S23 Plus only supports up to 60Hz of screen refresh rate. And itong si Redmi 12 supports up to 90Hz of screen refresh rate. So, mapapansin mo siguro kung sanay ang mata mo sa higher refresh rate, medyo maiwan konti dito sa itel S23 Plus. But overall, I would say, well, not really too much of a difference. Now, probably the next thing that comes into play is ang kanyang thickness. Kita mo ang kanyang thickness is far from each other. And itong si itel S23 only has a 7.9mm na thickness. Itong si Redmi 12 has a 8.2mm na thickness. Pati ang weight is quite far, 178 sa itel and 199 grams dito sa Redmi 12. So sa weight and sa thickness, lamang na lamang si itel S23 Plus. Nung sinound check ko naman itong dalawa na ito, side by side, almost at par lang naman sila. Not that far from each other, but I would say na a little bit louder konti dito sa Redmi 12. Na pagdating naman sa processor, this one has a T616 Unisoc, which is a flagship chip by the way ni Unisoc, and this one has a MediaTek Helio G88. Now, if we check the Antutu benchmark, now these are the scores naman na na-achieve nila. So, makikita mo na mas lamang dihamak si itel ng 50,000 points. Both of them has 5,000 mAh of battery. Both of them also supports up to 18 watts na fast charging. So, ang kanyang battery endurance, both of them can also let you use the phone for one whole day without charging as long as you're using normally, walang problema. And pagdating naman sa battery endurance, I think si itel S23 could give me a little bit more extra juice as compared dito sa Redmi 12. Siguro, if pinagtabi mo silang dalawa, sabay kong ginamit, I think mas lamang ng ilang oras ang kaibigay sa akin ni itel S23 pagdating sa screen on time. Now, I did individual review nito dalawang phone na ito. And in terms of gaming, I think at par lang naman sila. I wouldn't say na mas lamang konti si G88 or mas lamang konti si 616. Both of them can give you good entry-level na gaming experience. Probably don't expect too much from both of them. But what I can say na is that tinry din natin mag-Genshin Impact dito sa itel S23 Plus at the lowest graphical settings. Kaya na tumakbo smoothly, but you just need to pull it down to the lowest setting. Now, pag titignan naman sa kanyang camera, I think mas lamang ng dalawang mata itong si Redmi 12 dahil meron siyang 50MP na main camera sensor. Then, sinamahan pa siya ng 8MP na ultra-wide saka 2MP na macro. Samantalang si itel S23 Plus, 50MP ang kanyang main camera sensor and sinuportahan lang siya ng isang 0.08MP na depth sensor. And pareho naman sila up to 1080p and 30fps ang kayang shoot. And ang front camera, doon medyo lumalamang si itel S23 Plus. This one has a 32MP na main camera sensor. Ito only 8MP. Now, if we take a look na sa kanyang camera shots, itong si Redmi 12 is medyo mas reddish konti. Samantala to medyo mas flat ng konti. And I would say na, I think mas maganda ang takeaway ko dito sa Redmi 12 na shot. But this one is quite clear dahil sa kanyang higher na megapixel count. But overall, I would give it to Redmi 12 pagdating sa front-facing camera. Now, taking this two shot dito sa box ng Redmi 12, pag pinag-side-by-side mo sila, I think, personally speaking, parang medyo mas maganda, mas matingkad konti dito sa itel S23 Plus. Probably due to yung kanyang pag-enhance ng photo na meron nito itel S23 Plus. Now, if you take a look dito sa dalawang game controller picture natin, it seems to me na tama nga sinabi ko na medyo mas matingkad ang kuha ni itel S23. Now, pag tinignan mo naman ang kanyang camera dito sa video, I would say na it seems to me mas maganda ang pag-balance ito ng color dahil hindi mo makita na pabago-bago ang color ng yung aking mukha. Kasi dito, mapapansin mo, biglang mamumuti, biglang mamumula. But dito sa itel S23 Plus, medyo mas consistent ang color ng mukha ko. Probably, it comes down to the conclusion nitong dalawang phone na ito. Sino mas magandang bilhin? Si itel S23 Plus or si Redmi 12? Now, honestly, ang price point nito itel S23 Plus, it blows the competition wide open dahil sa kanyang price point. It even further lowered during the first few days ng sale, 5,699. Yun talaga, halos basag lahat ng presyo ng kalaban. But of course, there are some compromises naman talaga along the way. One is wala siyang headphone jack. And two is yung kanyang camera is just so-so. Don't expect too much dahil this one's more of yung kanyang design ang binibili mo sa kanya plus ang kanyang display. Now, though I think you would be better off sa camera nitong si Redmi 12 dahil of the 2 extra eye, you have the macro lens and your ultra-wide lens. Now, hindi mo makita dito sa itel S23 Plus. But pagdating naman sa design, talong-talo sa Redmi 12. Pagdating sa gaming, almost at par naman silang dalawa. I would say na mahirap magsabi na lamang si Redmi 12 or lamang si itel. But for me, I would give it a tie. Now, if you personally ask me kung sinong pipiliin ko dito sa dalawa, by no doubt, I'll be personally choosing the itel S23 Plus because of the better design and better overall feel sa aking kamay. And another thing na nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo is that this one doesn't come with a charging brick. So, separate din siya. Unless bumili ka ng early bird rate, free tempered glass, and free na charging brick. Now, guys, I hope nakapagtulong ako sa inyo on deciding what to choose dito sa dalawang device na ito. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit yung bell icon para hindi mo miss ang future uploads here on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.